Asim, I want to get more into the PhD itself.
Yeah.
What is the actual name of the PhD? What did you study? Which subjects did you study? And what was your thesis? And I think you also told me you went to Sheffield,
So
Newcastle
yeah,
for experimentations. Can you tell us more on that experience?
my research in my PhD started off with Oxy Fuels Combustion. So the objective was NOx control. As we know that NOx, in any form, nitrogen oxides are bad for the environment, for plant life, for humans. So considering that people have been burning fossil fuels for so long, and we have a hole in the ozone layer, that's all man-made. So these precautionary measures and these techniques were of absolute importance, primary objectives, in my opinion. That whatever flue gases you're throwing off into the environment, you need to know what ppm you're releasing these gases in, and they have to be controlled. That was a research project that was available, and this mitigation and this NOx control was brought about using this technique of oxy-fuel combustion, where instead of burning the fuel in air, the fossil fuel, you burn it in pure oxygen, which isn't very safe because the instrumentation.
No.
I mean, the instrumentation involved with it. I've seen it was a 450 kilowatt, just a 450 kilowatt pilot plant, and the instrumentation for that was just wild. It was an entire wall of instrumentation. This was the project that was given to me, but then they had some failures with the equipment, and then they had another project coming out, which was the use of fossil fuels, particularly coal and biomass, their blends, and certain air techniques and fuel techniques to bring about NOx reduction. So, in short, that's what I did, using fuel and different air introductory techniques and pilot 20 and 50 kilowatt pilot scale combustion plant. We brought about NOx control.
Check out the full episode at chemicalengineeringguy.com/forward podcast. I'll see you there.